Hi, my name is Dr. Kim Kelly.
My name is Cindy DeRose.
My name is Kathy.
Hi, my name's Ed Fink.
My name's Mark Kalina.
My name is John Irv.
Hi, my name's John, and what brought me to the Healthy Heart Retreat?
This retreat was special in a way, and I have been to all their retreats, and I have always enjoyed. There's something about being with other people and connecting at a deeper level that is fantastic.
Why I joined the retreat is because I met Dr. Gandhi, and she was so enthusiastic about this retreat and what I would be able to learn from it that I couldn't say no.
Last year, I bumped into Dr. Pratyuksha Gandhi, and she told me about this new treatment to help with high blood pressure. So I said, please sign me up. And she told me it was 35 treatments. And I'm delighted because that's probably the lowest it's ever been without any kind of medication, without any herbs or supplements.
I was referred to Dr. Gandhi, and during my treatment, she came to me and said that she's having this retreat and that she thought I would be greatly benefited by attending, and that's why I'm here.
To this wellness retreat because I wanted to connect with all the brilliant minds in holistic medicine and learn a little bit more about staying on track with the whole food plant-based diet, staying focused with yoga, and it's just been a life-changing experience here.
And encapsulates the whole with the retreat that I wanted to mention is just these just amazing doctors and how encouraging they've been and how knowledgeable and informative. They've just been amazing with the information they've been able to share with us.
Almost everybody out there has some condition, whether it's heart-related, hormone-related, sleep, stress. All those conditions will improve when you come to this retreat, and it will enhance your quality of life for the remaining years that you have on this planet.
If you want to change your life wholeheartedly, this would be the place to come. And if you want full support in the loving and real way, this is the place.
I highly recommend coming to a retreat like this because you're going to walk away with a bag of tools that you can use any time of day, any situation that you're experiencing some discomfort, that you can plug these tools into your mind and your breathing, and you're gonna open up your body to actually heal itself.